Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI seems to be breaking out to the upside just now out of this trend line. We had three breakout setups now here on the SUI chart. The first one I talked about already in yesterday's video. I think we were just about to do the breakout in yesterday's video. I think when I made the video yesterday, it was trying to break out, then rallied a little bit. Nothing major. I mean, it's weekend, right? And then we had a pullback. It formed a higher low, but the rally was not impulsive. Okay, so it's not clearly bullish, but we have a break above a trend line. So it's a break of structure in a sense. We then saw a rally, a pullback but a higher low, and another rally, and another pullback and another higher low. And now we might be starting here the next move up, and it is possibly wave C of A. Quick reminder that we are likely dealing with a B wave corrective rally here. So Elliott wave always gives us the context. We need to be careful with these B wave rallies. They are not clearly bullish. However, we're dealing with a possibly a potential for the price to reach 91 cents, 94.6 or 98 cents next in wave B. Of course, not in a straight line. There will be ups and downs, and trading B waves is extremely difficult. But I have been watching for higher since the market broke above the trend line. Okay, it came down quite strongly, but didn't make a new low. Bear in mind the price here on Saturday hit the 38.2 retracement, which is at 79.8 cents. So it's the first key target for this pullback. The next breakout setup, by the way, was then after the pullback happened, just the adjusted trend line. So we had a breakout today that was a retest of the trend line, and now we could be going. But we now need a little bit more action. We need to see a break above the A wave high. That's the next swing high, or the previous swing high, yesterday's low. It's actually the intraday low, the intraday high at 85.8 cents. And then wave C should send us higher. Now, where could wave C take us? I sent an update through to our gold members earlier today when the price was just about to turn around here, but we didn't have a confirmed low yet in wave B. I think we have a confirmed low now. Okay, it's still too early to confirm it. Really, technically speaking, would take a break above the A wave high to confirm that wave B bottomed. But if we just assume it now based on what we see, then a target for wave C to the upside would be this area actually. Between 87.8 cents and 90.1 cents. These are the next milestone targets for the bulls. Here I would at least get on high alert and then pay attention to a possible B wave pullback. So it's actually quite nice how this looks, right? So that B wave pullback then could be the setup for a C wave rally. And the green trend line here could keep us safe. I mean, that has 4 touch points now. So I would just get a bit careful once we break below that green trend line. But ideally, we are pushing now a little bit higher. Bear in mind, again, also this here is likely going to be a 5-wave move to the upside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there is absolutely no structure here now that I could work with. But it is looking interesting. The thing is just on this chart, SUI could push higher, but it's likely going to be in a corrective fashion. But the choppy bit, the A wave, is likely done. The B wave hopefully as well, and the C wave could be an impulse. So this could be the small impulse. Jumping on board now, it was good earlier today, when the price was possibly forming a B wave or upon the breakout. I mean, it's up to you how you trade this, right? If you trade this at all. I just share with you possible trade setups. Well, whether you're taking them or not is up to you. And my ideas about the market structure, and possible key levels. But now it's pushing higher and the levels are clear. And then the wave C of this B wave should ideally push to maybe 94.6, 98 cents. It depends a little bit on how high really wave C of A gets. Then the pullback. Once we have wave B in place, we can calculate a target for wave C. And overall, this is currently assumed to be part of a larger wave 2 correction in the bullish count, or a larger wave B pullback in the bearish count. But both of them have bullish potential in the short term, because the initial rally that happened between the 5th of August and the 12th of August was a 5-wave move. So technically speaking, it allows for further upside continuation, regardless of whether we're in a larger degree bearish count or a larger degree bullish count. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.